Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Alex. I'm the owner of Jakmarkets. I'm a pay-per-click marketing expert, and I'm an ex-employee working on behalf of Google Ads. Today, I'm bringing you a video on how to tell if your campaign is running successfully by using the metrics that you're presented with on Google Ads. So let's just get right into the video here. On all campaigns overview, let's look at this graph that you see here where you can compare some metrics amongst each other. The metrics that I like to keep here are the conversions, the CTR, the conversion value, and the cost per conversion. Conversion is typically sales or lead signups or anything amongst those lines where your business finds valuable. Click-through rate is the percentage of people that click on your ad who have seen it. And conversion value is the amount of money or the amount of conversions that you value that you brought into your store. And the cost of conversion is essentially the return on investment per Google Ads. So I spend about $30 per conversion here. And it's not too bad. Profit margins on my store are decent, but I'm trying to get this lower. So before we get started, go over to the top corner and check the filter off to the last 7 days. And the reason why we choose 7 days is because the cost per clicks may change on keywords, the dynamic of the market may alter, and it's just good to be able to scale week by week. So to determine what you're going to be doing the next week, so on and so forth. So let's go over to campaigns real quick. And as you can see, I have 2 campaigns running here. They're both smart campaigns and they're both shopping campaigns as well. One we have located in the USA and the other one is in Australia. And just for reference, this is the product that we're currently marketing. Our 3-in-1 wireless iPhone charger. It can charge your iPhone, AirPods, and iPhone simultaneously. And it's a very nice looking site. It was optimized very well. And the copywriting on it is quite good. So I'm very pleased with the site that we have to work on today. So let's go into this page again, the campaigns overview. And as you can see, we might have different looking screens here. Now the metrics that I like to use are cost, impressions, clicks, click-through rate, cost per click, conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion, conversion value, and the conversion value by cost. The other 2 I like to look at are the search lost impression share by budget and the search lost by rank. So this essentially determines what's the percentage of times that we weren't shown due to poor ad rank or budget. So it looks like our budget's good and our lost impression share rank isn't the best. However, these are smart campaigns and there's not much I can do, and they're also learning still. So we're just gonna give that some time. Anyways, in order to change your columns, you go to columns over here besides segment and reports, you modify your columns, and the first couple are all in the performance, top 4, average cost per click, conversions, obviously the top 4, and conversion value by cost. Let's skip attribution and hit attributes, bid strategy type, competitive metrics. Now this is where you find search lost impression share and search lost impression share rank. And that's it. Save your column set, apply. Now I'm looking at my cost to my impressions. This is essentially how much I'm spending to target the people that I'm looking for. So as you can see, I'm spending about $50 more in Australia as opposed to USA. And I have half the impressions. Maybe because Americans are better consumers, and it also may be because there's less competition. Essentially, you want a good amount of impressions, but you can't shoot too high because then you're probably targeting, people that aren't necessarily interested in your product. Now for the clicks, as you can compare, we have a 0.71% in Australia for click-through rate. We're at 0.56 in USA. This leads me to believe that our ads are decently effective in catching the eye of the consumers. This CTR essentially tells me how effective my ad is in drawing the customer to the product. So essentially the image, the headline, etc. The cost per click is dynamic and it changes per keyword. So I just like to keep an eye on this. Conversion rate is how well my site converts. A 2% conversion rate is about double the average, so it's about 1%. So that's how I know that my site has very good copywriting. And the conversion value is, of course, how much money that each ad has brought in. And each one of my products on the store is a different price and conversion value, so it does that automatically for me. And then this is essentially my ROA that they call on Facebook, the conversion value by cost. And as I said before, the search lost IS and then the search lost budget. So, overview. Essentially, I believe that I'm targeting a good amount of people and I have the right key terms. And again, this is a smart campaign, so it does that automatically. The clicks show me that my product is relatively attractive. So maybe I can look at optimizing the pictures and the headlines for better success and try to get that closer to 1%. The average cost per click is dynamic and there's not much you can do about it except for maybe removing key search terms or negative keywords or just removing keywords from campaigns. And conversions tell me how well my website does at converting my customers after they come to my ad. So let's look at, for example, if I got twice as many clicks because I had a better ad copy, so my CTR was closer to about 1.42%, I could technically expect to get 14 conversions, and at twice the cost, that would make me an astronomical profit. So what I've gathered from this is that my ad copy needs work. However, my landing page is working very well, and maybe I can refine my targeting as well as my ad copy and image to try to bring in customers that are more likely to convert. As for the budgets, I'm going to remain with these the same, but you can adjust as you feel necessary based off of success and performance. So anyways, guys, that is just a quick video on how you can tell how your campaigns are performing on the overview page and how to optimize for success going forward and knowing what to look for. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you think. This is my first video. I'm trying to do more of these. I think I have some stuff to offer, especially people that are trying to get into the pay-per-click marketing. Once again, feel free to comment, subscribe, and just let me know what you guys want in the future. So anyways, that's it for me. My name is Alex from Jakmarkets. Cheers, have a great day. So anyways, that's it for me. My name is Alex from Jakmarkets. Cheers, have a great day.